Hey, what's going on, guys? It is the weekend, and as you know, on weekend I create some videos that are small and funny. And today I'm gonna show you how you can create a simple converter app using JavaScript and Bootstrap 4. So we'll convert pounds into grams, kilograms, and ounces. So we'll see how we can convert using the calculations, and we'll use Bootstrap 4 for UI. So let's get started. So here is my simple HTML file, weightconverter.html. Inside this I'm gonna take one div tag with the class uh, container, right? And if you don't know how you can use Bootstrap 4, let me show you how you can use it actually. Just you need to type Bootstrap 4 cdn, right? Here we can find a cdn, so that you can use Bootstrap 4 remotely. You do not have to install it on your localhost machine. You just need to use this cdn link. This link is copied, and we can paste it here by removing this font awesome cdn. Let's paste it here. Now we can use the Bootstrap 4. It is in beta version, so we can use it, right? Let me take one more div tag with the class row, and inside this we will take another div tag with the class column md6 md4 md6, sorry. So we can use this. Let me take offset medium 3, right? So inside this, let's take h1 tag with the class display 4, and also text center, because we need that text in the center. And let's copy the same text which we have given in our title, right? Let's paste and let's see the preview in the browser. Yeah, it is displaying, and the text is appearing in 2 lines because it is a little bit more, right? Simple weight converter app, it is a lengthy text, so it is appearing in 2 lines. Now let's take one form with the class form group. No, we can take form, and inside this we can take one div tag with the class form group, right? Inside this form group we will take one input element with the class form control, and let's take another class, that is form control lg, right? Placeholder should be equals to enter pounds. As we are converting pounds into grams, kilograms, and ounces, then we'll use enter pounds here, or we can give type pounds here, right? We can use this placeholder, and we will give one id to this input field, and that is pound input, right? Let's see the preview. Yeah, it is appearing, and now we will take one more div tag for displaying the results of this pounds into grams, kilograms, and ounces. So let's say and let's give one id to this div tag, and that is output, right? Inside this div tag I'm gonna use three sub div tags with the class card, right? Card, and right? Let me take this first card, danger. We cannot use two classes at a time. This is the emmet abbreviation. Just you need to type div with the class name, and when you hit tab it will create a div with the class card. If you don't know about emmet, then don't forget to watch my previous video on emmet, which I have shown you in by installing it in the Visual Studio Code editor. Right, let's give this class card danger, and let's take one more div tag, and let's say card block. Right, inside this I'm gonna use one h4 element, and I'm gonna say grams. And below this uh, I'm gonna use one div tag with the class grams output. Right, once we convert our pounds, then we will display our then we will display our result, the grams output result, inside this div tag. So let's use this same card and give it here, and let's change this to success and this one to primary, and this should be kilograms, right? And let's remove this and let's say kg output, right? And this should be ounces, and change this to ounce output. Right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use one a style tag here to apply some CSS to our simple simple body. We will apply some simple CSS to the body of this HTML file, and that is margin top will be 80 pixels, and the background color will be 333. It is in the dark, it is the dark color, and the color should be white. Let's save and let's hit refresh. Yeah, the three fields are not appearing, the three blocks are not appearing, the text is not appearing because it is in white color. So let's use MB3, that is margin bottom 3. Let's use it here and here also. Yeah, it is now appearing. What I'm missing here is actually I'm missing something. Let me check what I am missing here. Card success, card block. Oh, let me check one more time. ID output, and this is the grams div tag. Let's paste it here. Let's save this, and the preview is still not appearing. Actually I was doing one mistake here while copying the link of Bootstrap 4, and that is this link. Right, when we go to alpha.bootstrap.com, it is in alpha stage, so we need to copy these all tags, the link tag, and the three script tags. So I forgot to copy these three tags, so let me copy these three tags and let me paste it here. I have copied only the link tag. That is not going to happen, right? So we need to copy this link tag and the script tag as well. So it is going to work now. Let's save this and let's see the preview in the browser, and the cards are not appearing in a color format. So let's refresh it now. Right, you can see here the cards are in the color format. The cards are showing their colors, danger, success, and the primary color. Right, so let's give some margin to this. Right, MB means margin bottom 3, Let's copy this same margin to this card block and to the last one as well, and let's give the same margin to this text. Like, it looks more beautiful now, right? We just need to type the pounds here, the amount of pounds we have, and it will convert into grams, kilograms and ounces, and let's see that functionality now. Let's create one script tag here for the JavaScript, and let's say document dot get element by id, right? So let's use this id, this id, pound id. It should be pounds, right? Pounds id dot add event listener. When we type something, right, we will use a callback function. We are trying to listen the events. When the user types something in the input field, we'll call a callback function, and we'll pass one parameter, and let's give here, and let's say console.log, let's say pounds, right? So let's save this and let's see the console first. Let's refresh it, and let's type something here, 1 2 3. As you can see here, the pounds is appearing in the console, and even it is showing the number of times, right? So let's remove this from the code, and let's say let pounds equals to e dot target dot value, right? And let's display this value inside the console, right? Let's pass this in the console.log, and let's see the value. Refresh this, and let's say 1. It is not, it is showing some error, so let's remove this and let's refresh it. The value is just an object. Yeah, you can see here the values are appearing in the console. I was trying to use the value as a functions, but I was wrong. So we need to use e.target.value, and it is showing the values once we type in the input field, right? Let's remove this and let's clear the console now, and let's give the input field type as a number, so that user can only type numbers, not letters and all, right? Let's save this, and let's say document dot get element by id, right? Let's use this grams output here inside this dot inner html equals to this pounds, right? We are trying to convert the pounds into grams here, right? Pounds divided by 0.000220046. Let me check this value first here. Yeah, 0.002220046. Let's use this number, 0.0022046. So this will convert the pounds into grams. Now let's write the same thing for kilograms. Let's change this to kg output, and let's use this 2 point. Let's remove this all things, 0.00 pounds divided by 2.2046. So this will give you the result for the kilograms, and let's say this one to ounce output, and for this we need to multiply the pounds with 16. So this will give the conversion of pounds into ounces. So let's save this and let's see the preview in the browser. Let's close this console. Let's get rid of this. Right, once we type 1, it is showing, right, you can see here the grams, kilograms and ounces, and even this application is responsive. Yeah, you can see here when I minimize my browser, you can see here, right, it is responsive, it is in the center of the screen, right, it is responsive, so it is working fine, right? Hope you got it, and you can try this inside your projects and you can use it freely, and I'll paste the source code link of GitHub, and you can find the code on GitHub. I'll paste in the description, you can get from there. And let me show you one thing here, right, when the user starts typing it, then only I'm gonna display the three cards. Till then I'll keep it as hidden, right? Let's use document.getElement by ID. Let's use output dot style dot visibility equals to hidden, right? And let's save and let's see the preview. Yeah, once we type, it is not displaying the cards, right? So for that we need to use display the cards when the user starts typing in the input field, and we need to give the style.visibility as visible, but inside the callback function. Remember this point. Let's save it. Right, the cards are not appearing anymore. Once we start typing it, the cards are appearing on the screen. So this way you can create a simple and a basic weight converter app using JavaScript and Bootstrap 4. Hope you enjoy it and hope you like it. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. You can find the source code on GitHub, and I'll paste the source code link in the description below. And please like this and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to watch my previous tutorials. Thanks again for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video.